In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Google Drive to Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll be able to pull in your Google account, so it's linked with your Yahoo Mail, making it easier to access your Google contacts and related services while you're using Yahoo. First, make sure you're signed into your Yahoo Mail account in a web browser. This process works best on a computer rather than on a mobile app because all the settings are clearly visible and easier to manage on a larger screen. Once you're signed in, you should see your usual Yahoo Mail inbox with your folders and messages. Now look toward the bottom left corner of the Yahoo Mail interface. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, which usually opens a More or Options style menu. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. This is where Yahoo hides several extra features and settings that don't fit in the main toolbar, so it's a useful area to remember for later. When you click the 3 dots, a small menu will pop up. From this menu, choose Settings. This will open a new panel or page where you can customize how Yahoo Mail works. Take a moment to let it load fully. Sometimes it can take a second, depending on your connection. Inside the settings area, look for the section or tab labeled Contacts. This is where Yahoo lets you manage and connect your address books from different services. Click on Contacts to open the Contact Settings page. Here you may see options to import, sync, or connect contacts from other email providers. Next, you want to connect your Google account, which includes your Gmail and your Google services like Drive. Look for the option that mentions Gmail or Google. It might say something like Import from Gmail, Connect Gmail, or Sync Google Contacts. Select the Gmail option. This tells Yahoo that you want to link your Google account so your contacts and the account that's tied to Google Drive are associated with Yahoo Mail. When you choose Gmail, you'll likely be redirected to a Google sign-in page in a new window or tab. Here, you'll be asked to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Choose the Google account that is connected to your Google Drive. This is important because the account you select is the one Yahoo will use for your contacts and any integrated features. After selecting your Google account, Google will ask you to grant permission for Yahoo to access certain information, usually your contacts and basic account details. Read through the permissions so you're comfortable with what you're allowing, then click Allow to continue. Without granting these permissions, Yahoo won't be able to link the account properly. Once you approve access, you'll be taken back to Yahoo Mail or see a confirmation message that the connection was successful. At this point, your Gmail account, along with the Google Drive it's connected to, is now associated with Yahoo Mail. Depending on your connection and the number of contacts, it may take a few minutes for everything to sync in the background, so don't worry if you don't see changes instantly. That's all there is to it. You opened Yahoo Mail, accessed Settings from the 3-dot menu, went into Contacts, selected Gmail, and connected the Google account that's linked to your Google Drive. Now your Yahoo Mail is connected to that Google ecosystem, making it easier to work with your existing contacts and accounts from one place.